unit of Panasonic RQ-SX33 stereo cassette player. This is how it looks like. It's not exactly complete. I show you why I say that. So it just comes with the unit, which is like a maroony or red the manual, probably in Japanese or something, and also the adapter, which is this is for the flat battery, the gum battery. Okay, so let me just put this aside. It's a pretty nice piece of equipment. It's really slick looking. It's got some nice, neat functions. So it comes with the AA adapter, a single piece of AA adapter. Okay, so this is the open button. So when you open it, you have to slide it down. So if you look properly, when you slide down, this part of it comes down. It's really neat. It's really detailing of design. I just love it. As you can see from there. And functions button are all in front. It's called a push hold system. So when you just push the button, it will hold. The play button, stop, rewind, forward are all in front. Yeah. So when you hold, this is for the headphones, the Dolby NR volume control, bass off or on. That's basically it. It says here Matsushita Electric Industrial Company, made in Japan. So it's really slick, a very nice color, probably quite a rare color to find for such a piece. The sad thing is I can't get this to on. I'm not sure why. It does make a little bit of sound, but when I put in the AA adapter, but I just can't get it to work. It looks pretty clean. The set looks pretty nice. As you can see, the inside, it says here twin roto moto. So I guess another piece for collectors, or for those who want to attempt to repair. Panasonic RQ-SX33. Thank you.